Hey guys, welcome to another Tip Tuesday. My name is Levi Briggs, and today I'll be showing you some new features we added in version 14 regarding the alternate ID and serial number fields for template editor. So this new alternate ID field is particularly useful for commercial labs where your customers have different naming conventions compared to your own. So this field will allow you to maintain your own IDs while also preserving what your customers use. So I'll go ahead and just get right into it and show you guys the new feature we added, new field here. So if we launch our template editor, I have my template created, and you'll see down here that there's a new alternate ID field. So that's the one that you can use to keep what your customers are naming their gauges, but you can also create your own IDs for your own system. So right now, I'll just give it some test, and then I will leave this blank because I will also go over this in this video. There's a new feature regarding the serial number. So if you leave it blank, we can copy over the ID over the serial number, but I can show you that later. So the new alternate ID, I'll just give it an ID there and go ahead and just create from the template. And then now I actually don't have the alternate ID field on my layout, so I will go ahead and add this. So I can right click, customize, and you'll see on this right hand side in this available items field, there's an alternate ID. So I'm just going to drag it over, put it right under the serial number, close, and then save layout. And then I can just do a check-in note. All right, so now you can see that this is what we created from our template. This is the alternate ID we gave it and the ID there. So um, that is the one part of this video regarding the alternate ID. So now I can show you the serial number feature we added. So if you open up the system-wide preferences, go over to ID options, you'll see here there's a new setting where you can copy the ID to serial number when creating an asset from a template if you leave it blank. So I will go ahead and hit OK and save. And actually, I had that setting enabled before, but I can show you again. So I will leave this blank. So we'll do another one. And if you see, if you leave your serial number blank, and we'll just give it just a random, just leave that blank, but give it the alternate ID and ID. So if we create that, you'll see now that the ID copies over to the serial number because we left it blank. So that's also the new feature we added. So that's basically the two. So we have this new alternate ID field so you can maintain your customer's naming while also having your own. And then that new option where if you leave serial number blank in template editor, it will just copy over the ID field. I hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.